1. All these are examples of conduction except a pan heating over a stove. B. Ironing of clothes. C. Rain falling from clouds. D. Ice melting in one's hand.
Dalawa. Ang paniralang nalaglag na hulog ay nagpapakahulugan ng A. Magkahawig, B. Magkasalungat, C. Magkapares, D. Idioma.
Three. According to the physical property of hardness, which of the following minerals is the hardest? A. Diamond, B. Limestone, C. Quartz, D. Calcite.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and click the notification bell button.